Hi everyone, this is Sheeta Sippin Matre and welcome to my channel. So how have you guys been? What have you been doing? How was your last week? I'm so excited to know all of that. So before we begin, I'm so happy to announce that we have reached 30,000 subscriber guys. Isn't that awesome? Thank you each one of you for being a part of this channel, and also if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. So today we are going to see how the month of December 2020 is going to be for all of you. And in case if your birthday falls in the month of December 2020, we are also going to do birthday predictions for you. So all the timestamps as always will be given in the description column of this video. So do check it out. And do check my playlist of pick a card readings if in case if you want to have more of this pick a card readings. So for today's option, we have this three amazing sparkling hearts. So this is option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3. I'll get it closer. Option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3. These are your 3 options. In case if you're confused which option to choose, you should always go by the option that you're drawn to. And in case if you're confused, you can simply make 3 chits and write 1, 2, 3 in that. And then you just say, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the month of December 2020 is going to be for me. That is you. And pick up 1 chit. The number that you get in that particular chit is the pile for you. Alright, so you can do that way. It really helps. I also would be mentioning the name of the decks that I use in the description column. You can check that as well. So these are your 3 options. Option 1, that is a blue heart. Option 2, that is a silver heart. And option 3, that is the green heart. So apart from your angel and tarot cards, we'll also be seeing your charms, your universe messages, your crystal messages, the angel numbers, words, alphabets. We're going to see your month in detail. So are you guys excited? Because I definitely am. All right, so let's get started. Hello group 1. So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful blue sparkling heart, let me keep your heart over here next to our beautiful statue. So first and foremost, I feel that you guys have a strong Michael connect. This I can just feel an Archangel Michael presence. So let's see how the month of December 2020 is going to be for you. I will shuffle the cards. Group 1's December 2020. Group 1's December 2020. Here we go. All right, let's see what blessings are coming your way. Blessings for group 1 in 2020. Let's see what changes are going to come your way in 2020 December. Let's see a health message for December 2020. Let's see a finance message for December 2020, how your finances are going to be. Message from the Kipper deck. And a love message for December 2020. All right, so okay, let me just arrange the cards and let me keep your cards over here. All right, let's start with your tarot card. Okay. Devil. All right. So the first card that you guys have got is the Devil card. So just don't start. Oh my God, the devil. Oh my God, what is going to happen? No, don't worry. Now, Devil card means addictions. Devil card also means to lighten up and have some fun. So I feel in the month of December 2020, yes, some of you will be fighting some sort of addictions that you have. It could also happen that you'd be partying too much and eating, unhealthy food, which you need to take care of. Also, avoid any kind of addiction which is not good. As they always say, anything that is too much is never good. So strike a balance in whatever you do. I'm also feeling that, it is quite a possibility that you may overthink. All right. You may think a lot. So it's important that you stop thinking too much. I am also getting that there would be some sort of toxic environment or toxic people around you, and you will, however, I'm also hearing in my ears that even if there is going to be negativity, there will be a relief available. There you are protected, you are safe, and though there will be people who will be jealous of you, there will be protective shield given to you in the month of December 2020 is what I'm hearing. Also avoid any codependent situation wherein you are dependent on somebody unnecessarily, what I'm feeling is I'm getting more of a desperate energy. Don't be desperate in the month of December 2020. All right, now let's see the next tarot card. Sun. Oh my God, what a beautiful card to get. See how the cards are completely opposite. This is completely dark and this is completely bright. And I did tell you guys, that somehow I'm hearing that you will be protected. So, though the month may start with, some sort of darkness, it will this darkness will go away with light. All right. I am feeling that there will be a lot of creativity in the month of December 2020. There'll be good news, happiness, growth, success coming your way in the month of December 2020. I also feel that some of you will receive some sort of recognition, which will be like a feather in your cap. I'm also hearing that overall you will work on becoming more aware, more conscious, okay, of what is happening to you or your life. You will try and live a more mindful life. So I feel that, when I look at both the cards, all right, it can so happen that you may be in a habit of overthinking. However, you will ensure that you move from this habit of overthinking to peace, okay, to peace, joy. All right, so this is what I'm getting from this card. There could be literal pregnancies happening, birth of a child happening, either in your family or extended family, or maybe you will hear some news from your friend circle. I'm also getting that some of you will be invited for some sort of event. Okay, I know pandemic is going on, but it could be an online event or some festival is what I'm getting with this card. I'm also hearing that some of you are going to buy or wear a red outfit for a very important function, is what I'm hearing. So yes, the month looks good with the Sun card. Lovers. Oh wow, see, now the Lovers is the opposite of the Devil, isn't it? So when I'm connecting this cards, okay, what I'm getting over here clearly is that you may start with a situation wherein people around you are troubling you, all right, or there's some sort of darkness, there's some sort of issue that you are facing in the beginning of the month. However, you will come out of this issue with your with your inner strength. You will come out of this issue with your inner wisdom, inner strength, inner energy. All right, and once you come out of the situation, you will be in a very beautiful surrounding. You'll be surrounded by good people, environment. Also in terms of love, all right, it can so happen that you may be in a codependent relationship, or you may not be in a very happy kind of a situation. However, you will move out of from the devil situation to the lover situation. Yes, lovers also means choice. All right, so it's very important that you make a right choice in the month of December. And interestingly, there are two sun present, so much of light coming your way in the month of December 2020, guys. So when I look at the lovers card individually, yes, there will be temptations, and already the temptations are there in the beginning of the month, but somehow you will be able to use your use your discretion to understand that what needs to be kept and what needs to be avoided. Yes, there will be angelic help available, as I told you in the beginning of the session, that even if there is this devil energy, you have a strong protective shield, and this card is confirming that. So there will be this strong protective shield given to you. However, don't fall into temptation, don't do anything unethical, because that's not going to help you. And yes, avoid falling into any sort of temptations. All right, a lot of growth, a lot of love. I feel that some of you are stuck in the corporate world with this card. I feel that some of you are stuck in the corporate world, and somehow you will feel that I don't want to be stuck into this corporate world, or maybe some business that you're doing, and you may feel stuck in the beginning of the month. However, you will get out of that, and you will do something that you absolutely love and enjoy with the lovers card. All right, now let's see your next card. Okay, let me pick up this card for you. We'll first see what blessing is coming your way. Steady progress. Oh my God. See how beautifully the cards resonate with each other. I did tell you that there will be a progress, and this card is confirming that. The blessing coming your way is that you are going to move towards better times wherever you are right now, wherever you are. From there, you're going to move up and up and up. Yes, it may not be like a drastic change, but it would be a steady and a consistent change. Now that's also very important. And yes, over here the angels are acknowledging that you have been doing a very good job for everybody around you, and they are really acknowledging that, and they're telling you that that's why they are giving that angelic help. Okay, that's why no matter what situation you are in right now, you will get out of it, is what they are saying for the month of December 2020. I'm also hearing that some of you have helped birds. Okay, I'm getting birds specifically. You have helped some birds, or animals could also be, but especially birds. You have helped them, and you're getting their blessings. I also feel that some of you have done something for your ancestors. All right, something you've done for your ancestors, and your ancestors are also blessing you. All right, with this card, that's what I'm hearing. Now let's see what change is coming your way in the month of December 2020. Have confidence in your creation. Trust in the power of God's creativity, which is being manifested through you. So the change coming your way is that your confidence level is going to increase, and the confidence levels are not only going to increase in your own self and in your own ability, but also in the divine. And not surprisingly, that's why the shift is going to happen, right? That's why the steady progress is going to happen, because you are going to be more confident in yourself and in the divine. I also feel that your creativity will be all-time high, and no wonder with the Sun card. So definitely your creativity is going to be very, very high, so pay attention to it. See, I feel that there will be somebody, okay, this is what I'm hearing. There's somebody who is going to say something negative to you, or they're going to be a little bit, and they may put some sort of superstition in your mind, or they may just say that your stars are not good, or this is not good, that is not good. So don't listen to them. All right, I always tell everybody who comes to me for consultation that future is not written in stone. You can change it if if it is not good, and if it is good, you can amplify it by prayers, action, and thoughts. All right, so trust in the power, trust in yourself, and that's how you're going to really grow ahead in this particular month. Now let's see how your finances are going to be. Six of action, which means six of wands. All right, so success. Okay, I'll just read this out. All right, what a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotion, or other recognition for your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offers assistance, know that this person is heaven sent and say a yes. So not surprisingly, with the Sun card and the Six of Wands card, lot of success is going to be yours, guys. There is going to be such amazing good news coming your way in the month of December 2020. Also, there will be I'm also getting that it may so happen. What I'm hearing is that you may get an invitation, or maybe there may be some sort of good news, okay, some sort of celebration for which you will be invited to. It could be a close family member, and I also feel that there could be some celebration happening. I know it's pandemic, guys, but I have to tell you what the cards are saying. So some of you are, since it's a general reading, some of you are going to prepare yourself for celebration. And yes, the Christmas is also coming, but financially this month looks quite good for you guys. Just ensure that you don't let success go to your head, because with the Devil card, it can so happen that it may go to your head. Keep your ego aside, because that will lead to study progress clearly. All right, so whatever is the temptations, kind of get rid of it. And yes, Devil cards also means have some positive fun. Okay, now let's see what your health. Organic foods. And yes, I did tell in the beginning of the session that some of you may eat unhealthy food. So ensure that you are celebrating Christmas, you're celebrating New Year, but at the same time you're also maintaining a balance in eating good quality, high vibration food. All right, let's see your next card. Wealthy man. Interestingly, over here in this card, you did get that if someone who can help you offers assistance, know that this person is heaven sent. So some of you, there will be a man, all right, who is going to give you some sort of help. It could be an idea, it could be some sort of counseling, it could be some sort of opportunity. So understand that this particular person is heaven sent. Use your discretion, weigh the pro and cons, and if you think this particular help is assistance, is of help to you, then go ahead with it. All right, now let's see your love card. Addiction. I just love, shuffling in front of the camera, because if I would have shuffled these cards before, you would have not believed me. Some of you, of course, most of you do believe me, I know that. So see, Devil's card is a card of addiction, and this card you got of addiction. So addiction could be, constantly, being codependent on a person, even if the person is not into you. Or it could simply mean that there is some it could be that you're so much addicted to your work that you're not paying attention to your love life. So you need to stop that. If you're single, or if you're married, or if you're in a committed relationship, you are so busy paying attention to other things that you're not paying attention to your partner. Or maybe you need to speak to your partner about your partner's addictions. All right, so addiction is definitely affecting your love life, and what I can see, it is affecting your overall December. So no problem, now that you're aware that there are addictions, or there is some energy which you need to work on, you know how to handle it, isn't it? So that's what I love about tarot and angel cards. They kind of tell you exactly what may happen, and once you know that this is the energy that can happen, you can change it by being more aware, by choosing more higher energy, by being more mindful of what you can do and what you cannot do, to ensure that the outcome is pleasant. All right, so these are your cards, guys. Now let's see what your charms are saying, what words you have got. Wow, what an interesting month, guys. Okay, so let's pick up some charms. I'll keep your cards here. Right. So this is your box of charms. Let me open it for you. Okay. So you have got support, and interestingly that's resonating with the two cards that you got which spoke about support, which is this card and the wealthy man card. Okay, so see, it's not necessary that it has to be a wealthy man only, it could be a woman as well. So I have support available for you in the month of December 2020. Let's see. Oh, I mean, you know, this particular charm is coming so much nowadays in the readings that I do. So definitely you guys have a Lord Shiva connect is what I'm clearly hearing. I also feel some of your root chakra is imbalanced and you're working towards balancing it, though this is not root chakra related. That's what I'm hearing. I also feel that some of you need to start chanting. Okay, you can choose any mantra, but you need to start chanting in order to be more calmer. All right, now this is an eye, so there's somebody who is going to watch you, and it can also mean evil eye. All right, because we had got the devil card as well. So before you panic and you wonder, oh my god, what do I do? All right, just relax, because understand that you have got support and you also have the divine energy protecting you. Same thing which the card said. You can also check the protection and shielding mini workshop that I have posted on my channel. There's a separate playlist on protection. You can just go and have a look at it and follow those rituals for the month of December 2020. Now let's see what words you have got. Alphabets and words. This is your box of alphabets and words. So let's pick up some words and some alphabets. All right. You got need, which again talks about addiction. All right, and it also means that your needs will be met. Trip, so some of you are going to travel. All right. You got delicious, so yes, there will be a lot of delicious food available, but ensure that you choose a healthy delicious food. Okay, you got friend. All right, so again there it talks about support, which let me just zoom in. Okay, it talks about support, which again this particular charm also told you. You got the and okay, so the friend, the need. Okay, the need for a trip and a friend. Okay, so maybe a short travel. The words that you have got, the alphabet, sorry, that you have got is VAN. So again, van also means movement, and you did get the card of study progress, so that again confirms it. Trip also means moving from one position to another, guys. So this alphabets that you have got could be a first name, middle name, last name, initials, or it could simply be of some importance for you. So this is what your words and alphabets look like. Let me zoom out now. All right. Okay, now let's see what virtue you need to focus on in the month of December 2020. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes and pick up one virtue. All right, let me check. You got patience, right? With a steady progress, patience is required, right? So this is the virtue that you need to focus on in the month of December 2020, guys. Now let's see what your universe messages are telling us. This is a box of universe messages, so I will just pick up one. Okay, I thought I'll pick up one, but I think many came. Okay, so let's see your universe messages. So you got the butterfly universe message, which means sort of transformation, changes happening. You got mistakes are the proof that you're trying with the Yes, we all make mistakes. None of us is God, but that's all right. You God bless this mess. So you need to understand that yes, there are going to be things in December 2020 which may not be how you want it to be, but it would be a blessing in disguise. You got Gemini, and yeah, you got Gemini. So either you could be a Gemini, or there would be somebody who's a Gemini who will be of importance to you in the month of December 2020. Good things come to those who wait, and you did get the virtue that you need to focus on as patience. So definitely, again, this is resembling with that. So now let's see your crystal message, guys. Okay. You got clear chords. So definitely a lot of things are going to get clearer to you. You need to use your manifestation skills to the fullest. I also feel that since there was a lot of light in your reading, clear chords also represents light. So a lot of light and clarity are going to come in the month of December 2020 for you guys. So now let's see an angel number for you. Let's pick up an angel number. Okay. You got the number 43 and 65. So 43 talks about that you have lot of angelic god goddess support with you, and not surprisingly you got this particular charm as well. You got the friend word as well. It also means that all your 65 means that all your needs will be met, material needs, and strike a balance between spirituality and material needs, which is what you did get with your tarot cards, guys, which talks about strike a balance between materialism and spiritualism as well. So sun card represents spirituality in a way as well. Okay. So the number 5 talks about transformation, which was confirmed with the butterfly charm as well. So we have done your crystal messages, your numbers, your universe messages, alphabets, words, and now it's time for the Wheel of Fortune. So think about a question, guys, for the coming month, and let me spin the wheel for you. Oh my goodness, you got the answer. Wait, you did get patience, all right, as a virtue to focus on. You did get good things come to those who wait, and you got wait. So whatever you asked for, guys, you will get it. It's not that divine is denying it. It's just that they're saying that just wait for the time. You are going to get what you asked for, but you will get in the time which the divine wants to give it to you, all right? Because it's sort of things which in the background that is working, and it takes time. Okay, guys, so in case if your birthday is there in the month of December 2020, do go to the timestamp and click on the birthday prediction for you for the month of December 2020. I hope you enjoyed this particular pick a card reading. I do read all your comments, and I'm not able to reply to each one of them, but I try to love each comment, whether it is good, whether it is not so good. But 99% of the comments that you write are so amazing, so kind. Thank you so much, guys. You are so awesome, and I'll meet you next week. Bye bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? So all those of you who have chosen this beautiful silver heart, first and foremost, I feel that you're highly intuitive, and you are creative as well. And I see the presence of Archangel Haniel, the moon goddess, who is also called the moon goddess, very strongly with you. All right, so let's see how the month of December 2020 is going to be. And in case if your birthday falls in the month of December 2020, I have made a special prediction for you, birthday prediction. So do go to the timestamp in the description column. All right, so let's see how the month of December 2020 is going to be for you. December 2020. Let's see what blessings are going to come your way. Let's see what changes are going to come your way in the month of December 2020. Let's see how your health is going to be. A message for your health in the month of December 2020. Let's see about your finances. Okay. All right. Some of them are upside down. All right. Okay. Message for your finances for the month of December 2020. Okay. And love message for you guys. Love message for group 2. And keeper's card. Okay. All right. All right. So now let's see. Keep your messages over here. Let me just arrange them. I'll keep your cards over here and tarot cards as well. Okay. Wow. Even group 1 got the sun card, guys, and even you guys got the sun card. So a lot of happiness, brightness, success, victory, and amazing light coming your way in the month of December 2020. You are going to feel so excited. Your creativity is going to be all-time high. I also feel that some of you, what I'm hearing is, you guys are going to some sort of fire element you're going to add in your home. All right, it could be a candle, it could be lights. I know it's Christmas, so yeah, sure, but I do see some sort of fire element being added to your home. All right, that's what I'm hearing. I also feel that some of you could literally get yellow flowers or something yellow in your home, like yellow curtains, or you could even get a yellow dress, is what I'm hearing. All right, sort of brightness coming in the month of December 2020. There will be some sort of good news. It could be in your own family, your own good news, or your extended family, but some sort of good news coming your way in the month of December 2020. So let's see your next card. What is this? Oh my God, I can't believe. Oh, this is really very funny, and this is the first time it's happening. Even group 1 got the same 2 cards, but there's where, reverse. First they had the devil and then they had the sun. So in your case, all right, that though the month may begin with a lot of brightness, there will be some sort of temptations, all right. It could so happen that someone may try to say something to you or make you feel a bit negative. There could be some sort of toxic people around you, but do not worry, because I feel that the brightness that you have can the sun, all right. Now, as you see, the sun is a very, very most powerful element of light in the whole universe, and nobody can overshadow the sun completely. Okay, so even if there's negativity, it will not be overshadowing you, because the momentum of the month is so bright. Now let's see your next card. Oh my goodness, what is this? Is this some sort of joke? All right, you got the Lovers card. That is the same card as group 1, and you did check, guys. I did shuffle on camera, so hold on, not to worry. Let me remove more cards for you, because I feel that the theme may be same. All right, but let's see. Okay, let's see what the other cards are telling us. Isn't it amazing that how the same cards came in? But not to worry. All right, so let's pick up another 3 messages to get more idea, because there's definitely layers to it. Okay, see, wow. So how this both cards are resonating with each other. So if you see both of this card, the beginning of the month, all right, there's a lot of yellow, okay, so and blue, all right, the tones are yellow, blue and red, interestingly, see. So lots and lots of brightness happening. A wish is going to get fulfilled in the month of December 2020, and there will be lot of things to look forward to. I feel that there is definitely some sort of achievement that's going to happen. In case of you guys, you'll receive some recognition, reward, or some sort of appreciation. All right, I'm also feeling that you guys are going to some of you are into cooking or baking, and you're going to do a great job at it in the mid of the week. As this both cards are saying, you're going to let go of some addictions. Okay, you're going to let go. See, that's why even if both the piles got the same cards, the underlying meaning is different. All right, so in group 1 the meaning was different, and for group 2 the meaning is different. So definitely a lot of addictions which are there, you're going to let go of it. You will be like forget it, I'm not going to give too much of energy to this toxic people, to this to the things that are not going right. I would rather pay attention to what is going right. A lot of enlightenment happening again to you, group 2. And interestingly, since you had this amazing energy of light, okay, that's why even in the mid of the month there is light, okay, as if what I feel over here. If you see, okay, in this card, the sun is above the child's head, all right, and the child has absorbed the energy of the sun. And when the child has with the energy of the sun, the child has grown. And even with that growth, even when the child has grown, and the situation is such that the child is upside down, however, the emotional wisdom that the child has absorbed is still there, and is still helping the child to be peaceful, to be calm. Isn't it awesome? See, can you see how beautiful the sun is, how enlightened this particular person is? So if you see this, there's a growth, okay, there's a growth of wisdom, all right. Definitely over here the son and the child is apart, okay. However, in this card, the child has grown, so a lot of maturity it indicates, and the son is now a part of the child's, of the grown up person's crown chakra. Isn't that awesome? See how cards can have so many layers to it, okay. So this is the mid of the week, okay. So a lot of enlightenment. There will be a test. I feel that the universe will test you, okay, in mid of the month. However, you will be able to overcome this particular test with your emotional wisdom. And as rightly as the way you're going to take this particular decision of letting go of what is not serving you, you will attract all that you love, okay. All that you love, you're going to attract. However, you're going to be very practical about it. You are not going to fall into temptation, because you're learned, okay. The mid of the month is, you learned your lesson. You learned your lesson of not falling into temptation, of letting go of temptation, letting go of addictions. And that practicality is going to continue in the remaining of December 2020. And that's how we are going to attract a lot of positivity. I also feel some of you are going to let go of people who are toxic, of situations which are toxic. I also feel that some of you are going to let go of bad habits, okay, of bad habits clearly. Now let's see, first let's see the change coming your way. Vulnerability. So yes, now this is the change coming your way, all right. So from being vulnerable, you are going to be strong. All right, and see, as I said, okay, that's what the emotional wisdom spoke about, right, in this particular section, that yes, there will be situation which will make you feel vulnerable. However, you will let go of that vulnerability. You're going to be more stronger, and this card is confirming. This is a card I've removed for what change is going to come in your life in the month of December 2020. So you're going to be more stronger. Okay, now let's see the blessing coming your way. Blessing in disguise. And see, this card does talk about blessing in disguise. So I feel over here that I feel that at times we go through a situation, but we don't understand that why did I go through this particular lesson? Why did I go through this particular problem? However, after some years, after some months, we come to know, okay, fine, I did go through that situation. Thank God I did, because it was such a blessing in disguise. So in this month also, there will be a blessing in disguise. I'm also feeling that some of you are, what I'm hearing is, some of you are going to receive a jewelry or a necklace as a gift, okay? Or maybe you'll buy something for yourself in terms of something that you can wear around your neck. You may buy that for yourself, is what I am getting. I'm also hearing that some of you are going to do something with your hair, all right? Because something with your hair you're going to do in the month of December 2020, maybe a haircut, maybe you may get a hair styling instrument or a hair treatment, but something related to your hair you are going to do in December 2020 is what I'm hearing. Now let's see what your Kipper's card is telling us. Main female. Okay, so definitely whoever is the main female in your life, your mother, could be your sister, your wife, or a friend could be, or a boss, female boss. This person is going to be of importance in the coming month. All right, it may so happen that there would be some sort of conflicts, okay, some sort of conflicts which may happen, but they will also get resolved, is what I am hearing. All right, now let's see how your health is going to be. Message for your health: divine intervention. So definitely, since you have so much of light coming your way, there will, no matter what health issue you will be in, there would be, some sort of miracle happening. However, that does not mean you do not go to a doctor. Please understand, this are not, any reading is not meant to replace any kind of medical advice. So I feel that whatever, that the divine will guide you to the right doctor, to the right treatment in the month of December 2020. Now let's see how your finances are going to be. Healer of thought, okay, which is the Queen of Swords, all right, in the normal tarot. Okay, it's time to clean up your life. Get rid of anything that clutters your space or makes you disorganized. People who take from you but don't give back should be released as well. You or another person involved in the situation is wise, insightful, and caring, has a wonderful sense of humor, and offers a lot of life experience. So again, this is main female, and this card resonates. And I did tell you, right, that you are going to remove toxic people from your environment, all right? And removing this toxic people will lead to increase in finances. You're also going to spend time clearing your space, organizing your cupboards, and that's going to, see, whenever you declutter your space, you welcome abundance in your life. So that's going to happen. I also feel that what I'm hearing is that some of you, all right, some of you will take a decision, all right, to lose weight, all right, and this could be that you may take an external help to lose weight, is what I'm hearing. Could be a nutritionist, could be a trainer of a personal fitness trainer, but you're going to take an external help for losing weight, is what I am hearing. Or it could be getting fit as well, or it could be gaining weight, all right. So but you're going to take an external help, is what I'm hearing. So that's your love message. Friendship, wow. So definitely there is support available. This is a love message. So singles, you may meet somebody interesting via a friend, and the ones who are married or in a committed relationship, it may so happen that you may hang out with other couples. Maybe, you know, I know it's pandemic going on, guys, but it could be a virtual meeting. Also, you know, you may get the support in a friend as a couple. So if you're going through a particular problem, you may speak to a friend who may offer you guys advice, because your friend would have also gone through a similar situation, and this advice will help you. A lot of support available in your love life, whether you're single, committed, or married. Okay, so these are your cards, guys. This is the first time this has happened, and it was so amazing. See how amazing tarot is. You know, though the cards were similar, the undertones were so different. All right, from pile 1. Lovely, lovely. That's what I love, tarot cards. Okay, I'll keep your cards over here. Now let's see what your charms are telling us. These are your box of charms. Let me pick up. Okay. You've got you can. All right, so don't worry about anything. You will be able to achieve whatever you put your heart and mind to. You got umbrella, which talks about protection. So you're protected, you're shielded. There's nothing that you need to worry about. And hey, trust. Oh my god, this is a virtue. I don't know how it came with the charm. So the universe wants you to trust. Okay, trust. And the universe is protecting you. You got the bow, so maybe you will get ready, and you may either go to an event. I know it's pandemic, guys, but you will get dressed. You will get dressed, and it could be for a meeting on Zoom, or it could be that you click nice pictures. Okay, you got the wheel, which means movement, fortune, sort of fortune coming your way in the month of December 2020. Now, since we already got the virtue that you need to develop in the month of December 2020, we'll not pick another virtue. Let's see what your alphabets and words are telling us. Let's pick up your box of alphabets and words. All right. Let me shuffle this. Right. Let me pick up some alphabets. Okay, let's see what you have got. First, let's see the alphabets. H, V. This could be a first name, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody whom you may meet. Their initials. Okay, let's see the words that you have got. You got quickly, so things are going to happen quickly. Walking, so some of you are going to take some exercise, or it could literally mean from one phase to another. Visiting, so someone is going to visit you. I am feeling that it could be a bird also. That's what I'm hearing. Playing, so again, a lot of physical activity. Playing also means, you know, being more, let me zoom this for you. Playing also means, you know, taking things lightly and not taking it too seriously, having some positive fun. Okay, and see the next word, happily. You're going to happily play, you're going to happily walk. Chocolates, so for me chocolates represents good news. Okay, some good news coming your way, and it has been confirmed, you know, with the sun card. Okay, sun and the 9 of cups card is confirming that there's some good news coming your way. All right, and also don't eat too many chocolates. You got he. Okay, so masculine energy over here, and she. Okay, so definitely I am feeling over here that you need to balance the masculine and feminine energies. We all have them. It also means that, you know, use both your heart and brain to take a decision. Okay, just don't listen, like let your heart and brain be on the same page is what I am hearing. Okay, so this is your words, guys. Now let's see, let me zoom out now. Okay, so now let me check the universe messages, what the universe messages are telling us. Okay, this is a box of universe messages, so I'll pick some of them from here. All right, let's see. Okay, so first you have got the little pilot. So little pilot could literally mean, like you see this particular child is on the horse and it's going. I feel that some of you are waiting for a parcel. That's something you're going to get it, okay, in the month of December 2020. And little pilot could literally mean a child birth or a new idea coming to you. It could be childbirth in the extended family, your family, or maybe in some friends. So some childbirth happening, or some of you are trying to be pregnant. So some of you may get a good news. Okay, now let's see the next charm. Oh, sorry, the universe message, self-love. So definitely you have to put yourself first. All right, you cannot put yourself last, because the universe wants you to be your own priority, topmost priority. All right, then you got Capricorn. So either you could be Capricorn, or somebody who is a Capricorn would be of importance to you in the coming month of December 2020. Now let's see what angel number you have got. Okay, wow, you got the number 99, which means that you need to focus on your life purpose straight away. Career is going to be of importance in December 2020. A lot of Mars energy as well, so you will feel very courageous and strong. And not surprisingly, you did get the card of Ace of Swords, which is also the similar energy, of Mars. Okay, so being more practical, taking more practical decision, being more brave as well. And there is just one left for it to become 100. So I think this talks about taking that leap. Okay, that leap. Okay, trusting and taking that leap. All right, is what I'm getting. And you did get this particular word, you can. All right, now let's see what crystal message you have got. Carnelian. Wow, so carnelian is also, so carnelian is a sacral chakra stone. All right, but it has this is a sun card, which is a solar plexus card. All right, but again, it is a stone of career. It is also a stone of career growth, especially career growth. Also, this is a stone of fertility. And you did get the sun card, you did get the little pilot card. I feel that some of you who are trying for a baby will take it more seriously in the month of December 2020. I also feel that you guys are going to be so creative. The creative will be all-time high in the month of December 2020. Not surprisingly, you've chosen the silver heart as well. All right, okay, so now let's see your Wheel of Fortune. That was some interesting read. Okay, so think about a question for the month of December 2020. All right, and let me spin the wheel for you. Yes, so you have clearly got yes. So whatever you asked for, the answer is yes. Amazing, guys. So you're in I always learn, okay, with every pick a card reading, with every consultation, the reader also gets to learn a lot. So today in your reading also I learned a lot, guys. So thank you so much. So in case if your birthday is in this particular month, do check the birthday prediction. If you like this particular reading, do like and subscribe to my channel. Do hit the like button if you enjoy my video. Alright guys, bye-bye. Hello group 3, how are you guys doing? I hope you had an amazing week last. And yes, let's see how December 2020 is going to be. So we'll see your tarot cards, angel cards, charms, angel numbers, words, alphabets, crystal messages, and it's going to be so interesting. And in case if your birthday is in the month of December 2020, do check your birthday predictions. The link is given in the description column, the timestamp. So all those of you who have chosen this green heart, yes, you need healing, and I'm hearing that Archangel Raphael is very strongly with all of you, helping you to heal. All right, and I feel that some of you are healers too in this particular pile. Okay, so let me shuffle your cards. All right. Group 3's month of December 2020. Let's see what blessing is coming your way. Let's see what change is coming your way. Let's see what message Archangel Raphael would like to give you regarding your health. Let's see about your finances. Finances in December 2020. All right, let's see your Keeper's card. What the Keeper card is telling us. Okay, and let's see what your oracle. Oops. Oh, okay. Let's see what your love cards are telling us. All right. So I'll keep your cards over here. Okay. Let's see your tarot cards. Ace of Swords. So definitely there will be a new beginning coming in your life. You'll be more practical. There will be a lot of paperwork, contracts getting signed in the month of December 2020. You will be moving ahead for sure, and you're going to be, you're going to be like, let me, if there's any situation which requires you to be more practical, you will choose to be more practical is what I'm hearing. I'm also feeling that some of you are going to cut away all the drama in your life in the month of December 2020. Now let's see your next tarot card. Two of Cups. So definitely, see, this one is becoming two. All right, so there's a progression, and from Sword it is coming to Cups. And Two of Cups talks about commitment. So you're going to be more committed to your work. Two of Cups can literally mean marriage. It can also mean partnerships. So whatever is applicable to you. However, I feel that there is going to be a give and take happening in the month of December 2020. It could be exchange of ideas. It could be exchange of emotions. So definitely a lot of balance in giving and receiving, and you're going to, or in the beginning of the month itself, you'll be deciding that, hey, I will not invest my time and energy on people who don't reciprocate, if not equally, at least gratefully. All right, is what I'm getting. Some of you could literally be there could be a marriage invitation that you may receive. I know it's pandemic, but still people are attending marriages and weddings wearing a mask. So it could so happen that some of you may get committed, all right, or may meet someone very interesting. That's your next card. Judgment. Wow, look at the progress of the cards. From 1 to 3 and from 3 to 20. Lovely. That's something, right? So Archangel Gabriel is with you guys, and you're going to review a lot of things in the month of December 2020. You're going to review what is not working for you, what is working for you. You will be reaching out to more people in December 2020. You are going to focus on communication, all right? You will be ensuring that your work or your services reach people, all right? And I feel a lot of focus will be given in terms of online. I'm hearing that some of you are expecting a visa. I'm hearing that, okay? Some of you are expecting a visa or something, some paperwork to happen. That may happen in the month of December 2020 for some of you, okay? The general readings, take what resonates, leave what does not. So a lot of growth happening, a lot of progress happening in the month of December 2020, clearly. A lot of positivity is what I'm getting, and a lot of multiplication happening, multiplication of positive energies. And there is going to be initiative taken from your end, all right? You will be like, let me take matters in my own hand and let me take help, whatever help is required. You know, I feel that there will be something which you will single-handedly start, okay? And people will start joining you, okay? One may start, two, and then a group of people will join you, is what I'm hearing. Also, I see a increase in the number of followers is what I'm getting, and increase in a very rapid rate is what I'm hearing. Lovely group 3. That's so awesome to know. Now let's see what changes is coming in your life in the month of December 2020. Okay. Inspiration. So definitely what is going to happen is that there will be an idea that you will have. There will be an inspiration, and you will convert this inspiration into reality. You will take action to bring this idea into reality, okay? And I am also hearing that there will be, you know, interestingly, see, there's Archangel Gabriel in this picture, okay? And she is in Archangel Gabriel is informing Mother Mary, okay? So some news coming your way too is what I'm feeling in the month of December 2020. Some sort of news, guys, some sort of news coming your way for sure, all right? Guys, some of you have been keeping some work pending is what I'm hearing. There is some work which has been kept on hold from your end. You need to complete it. You cannot keep it on hold, because this particular thing, when converted into physical form, is going to bring in a lot of abundance is what I'm getting. Now let's see what blessing is coming your way in the month of December 2020. Blessing in disguise. Okay, so this is a very clear card that the blessing will not be like a straightforward blessing. Oh wow, you know, this is a blessing, I'm so happy. No, it would be, you know, something which you are not expecting, okay, but it would turn out into a blessing. I feel that some of you are waiting for something, okay, that's what I'm hearing. Some of you are waiting for something, and you are like, you know, when is this thing going to move ahead? All right, and it will move ahead, but not in the way which you are expecting it to move in. It will be a completely different movement from what you're expecting, all right? Now let's see your finances. Oh my God, see? You got 2 Ace of Swords. You got 2 Ace of Swords, guys. Wow. This is so amazing. So let's see what this card is saying. This cherub has arrived to congratulate you for a brilliant new idea, which this card of inspiration had confirmed. All right. Yeah, for a brilliant new idea which is truly inspired. It's important to communicate clearly and thoroughly with others who are involved in the implementation of your idea. Don't be distorted by little challenges. So this is what it is talking about, blessing in disguise. Okay, these are merely course corrections to perfect your plan. So this one card is summarizing the whole cast that has been laid out. All right, so definitely lot of new beginnings. Okay, a lot of new beginnings coming in the month of December 2020, and an idea coming to a reality. Okay, and be very clear with your communication, because if you're more clearer, your followers are going to increase. Okay, from 1 it will become to 2, and from 2 it will become to 20. So a lot of multiplication happening over here. So communicate clearly, guys. Let's see what your health card is saying. Avoid allergens. So you need to be very careful that you wash your hands before eating, or before when you go out. Ensure that you wash your hands, you wash your feet, you have a bath. So ensure that you're keeping your surroundings clean, okay, and sanitize. Nothing to worry, guys, nothing to worry. It's saying avoid. Okay, it's not saying that you are going to get infected. Okay, it's saying that you just need to avoid. Sorry guys, the camera went off and I didn't even realize, and I kept on blabbering ahead. So this particular card means that if you know that you're allergic to some food or a beverage, avoid that. Okay, in the sense that be more mindful of what you're eating, or if anybody is giving you food, tell them that you're allergic to so and so. So is that particular food substance in that particular food or beverage or not? So just be mindful, nothing to worry. Now let's see what your Kipper card is telling us. Community. So definitely there will be a lot of following that is going to come your way. I am also hearing that you guys are going to help someone. Okay, you're going to help someone. You're going to do a lot of as I'm aware that that this particular batch has got healers in it. So definitely lot of you're going to help a lot of people. Okay, is what I'm hearing specifically, and a lot of increase in followers. Okay, if you have a YouTube channel or you're on social media, increase in the number of followers is what is going to happen. You then got the card second chance. So if you're single, just don't write somebody off. Like, oh, I don't think so, this person is XYZ. At least talk to this particular person again to understand them more better before just writing them off. If you're married or if you're in a relationship, just don't give up on it. See guys, I am nobody to tell you whether you should give up or not to give up. Use your own discretion. But this may feel that you the relationship could be also maybe you can what I'm hearing is you can go for counseling. All right, if there are issues in the relationship which can be sorted, then take some external help is what I'm hearing. All right, so these are your cards, guys. Now let's see what your angel charms are telling us, what your universe messages, alphabets are going to tell us. All right, so keep them over here. Let's open your box of charms. Okay. All right. Okay, you've got the charm of a footwear charm. So definitely a lot of grounding is going to happen, is required in the month of December 2020, or some of you could literally buy footwear in December 2020. You have got the charm wherein two people are, it's like a deal happening. Okay, there's something which is getting formalized, and interestingly you have got two ace of swords. Okay, you've got two ace of swords over here and here. Okay, So you got two ace of swords, all right, and this is the charm of, you know, deal happening. So some definitely a lot of paperwork happening, also communication that will lead to prosperity. You got the charm wherein this particular person is walking, so movement, going ahead. So this month you're moving ahead, guys. Now let's see what virtue you need to focus on. All right, you got patience. Wow. So you need to be more patient, guys. Don't be desperate. That's not going to help you in any way. Now let's see what your words are telling us. Let's shuffle them. Let's remove the words, alphabets. Now let's see what alphabets you have got. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials. A lot of O's. Oh my god, you got so many O. Okay. It's like telling you go. All right. Let's see your words. You got bravely. So definitely this month is important for you to be courageous. You've got raining, so opportunities raining. You got little, so enjoy little things in life. You've got swimming, again momentum. See, it talks about momentum. You got walking and swimming. Some of you may take up a physical activity. Reading. Okay, a lot of knowledge coming your way. Now let's see what you have got in terms of the words, other words. You got in, all right. So something is going to enter in your life. All right, you got I. So I think, let's zoom it. So pay attention to self-love, guys. You got ever. So happily ever after kinds. Or air. So over here I feel that it's okay to do mistakes. Okay, I know this 1 hour is missing, so I just do the liberty. Okay, so now let's see what your universe messages are telling us. This is your box of universe messages. Let me remove some universe messages for you. Okay. I'm just trying to okay, let me keep your box back. All right, the first here got make today beautiful, which, you know, I did tell you with the little things that, you know, just be in the present, just be in the present. All right, you got believe and you will succeed. So definitely a lot of self-belief, and that I word was also telling the same thing to you. So believe in you. To find yourself, think for yourself. So, you know, that I word is asking you to kind of, you know, trust in yourself. You got good, they can't ignore you. Be so good, they can't ignore you. So be more better than what you were yesterday and explore. Now this could mean literally travel, or I know it's pandemic, but some of us are still traveling. Or it could mean that it's asking you to explore options available. I'm also hearing over here that it could mean that you're reaching more people. Okay, you're reaching more people. All right, now let's see what crystal messages are telling us. So okay, you got citrine. Wow. So a lot of luck, opportunities coming your way in the month of December 2020, and a lot of positivity also coming your way, guys. Now let's see what your angel number you have got. You got the number 59. So a lot of transformation happening in your career in the month of uh, December 2020 or 29. So have faith. Your life purpose is going in the right direction. Do not worry, guys. All right. So that was your angel numbers, your charms, your crystal messages, universe messages, your virtue. We have removed a virtue as well. Okay, great. Now let's look at your wheel of fortune. So think about a question, guys, for the month of December 2020. And let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you got soon. So whatever you asked for will happen soon. Do not worry. Okay, and be patient. All right. Okay, so this was your reading group 3. I hope you really enjoyed it. Do write in the comment section what did you enjoy, what did you like about this reading. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. Do share this video with all those of you, your friends whom you think will benefit by or enjoy or just simply enjoy this reading. Okay guys, if your birthday is in the month of December 2020, do see the video ahead. Bye bye. Hi guys, if your birthday is in the month of December 2020, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Now let's see how your birthday is going to be in the month of December 2020. All right. Let's see how your birthday is going to be, guys. So interesting. Okay, so let me keep your cards over here. Oh God, in today's reading, if there's one card that is coming often is the Devil card, okay? So, in your birthday, all right, you're going to have a lot of fun, guys. You're going to have a lot of fun, but don't overdo it, okay? Don't overdo it. That's what this card is saying. So, a lot of fun happening on your birthday. Just ensure that you are not going overboard. You got Fool, okay? So some of you could literally your birthday will be full of creativity, okay? In the sense there would be some or the other creative, somebody will do something creative for you. Could be a handmade greeting card, could be a handmade gift item, but something which, or you may also receive, if you yourself are quite a creative person, you receive something very unique, okay, as a gift. Also you are going to move towards a better time, okay, with this birthday. It may so happen that you would travel somewhere. It's pandemic, I know, but you could do some sort of small travel. I also see that some of you may get pets as gift, all right, and I am getting that. I'm also hearing some of you are going to get bag, okay, some bag as a gift is what I'm hearing. All right, you got the King of Pentacles, so it could be that a father figure or somebody who is quite successful will give you some sort of money as a gift. All right, I am also hearing that you are going to dress really well for your birthday. You're going to spend money, okay, on your birthday as well, on people, on friends, on family. So I do see a money spending, and somebody who is who is quite successful is going to ensure that they meet you or they make your birthday special in some way or the other. And though the beginning of the day may not be that great in terms of your birthday, but as you can see, from darkness it's becoming yellow and light. Okay, so as the day will pass, your birthday will become more brighter and more happier. All right. And I'm also getting that don't be stubborn. Okay, don't be stubborn. As you can see, there is this ramp. Okay, there is this ramp over here. All right, so don't be stubborn. That I want my birthday to happen in this way only. Be very open hearted, okay, and open minded. See how your birthday is naturally flowing. Let go of control. Okay, don't be so very demanding on your birthday is what I'm getting. Enjoy every little wish that you're going to receive on your birthday. Some of you are going to receive flowers is what I'm getting. Also books, okay, some sort of knowledge coming your way on your birthday is what I'm getting. Clothes as well. Okay, you're going to wear something which is more casual. Okay, more casual and floral casual is what I'm hearing. All right, so now let's your other cards. Unexpected income. I did tell you, right, that there will be some sort of money gift coming your way on your birthday. All right, something which you were not expecting will come, or an extra cash. Messenger of thought. So definitely, as I said, that there will be a lot of some sort of wisdom happening. Okay, and this is confirming a new topic or an intellectual project is really exciting for you. There's so much to learn before you feel ready to move forward. New information may require changes to your plans. Review all documents carefully. Will meet or are someone who loves to learn and share knowledge. The person is brilliant and truthful, but also blunt and not very diplomatic. So it may so happen that there would be some change of plans happening, okay, in your on your birthday. Like there would, like you would have decided that I'm going to do my birthday this way, but something will lead to change in plans on your birthday. I'm also hearing that, as I said, there would be some knowledge downpour happening on your birthday. Somebody who is very intelligent will give you a lot of, pearls of wisdom. So listen to them. Let's see what the other card is telling us. Retreat. So I feel that some of you will be like, let me spend some time with myself. You will do journaling, you will write something down. It may so happen that some of you may have to work also on your birthday, and you'll be like, you know what, I did not want my birthday to be this way. Okay, it may so happen. And some of you could actually spend some time alone, okay, meditating or focusing on what needs to be done. But I see that you're going to spend some time alone, and some of you are going to be like, oh, how I wish, I could have done A, B, C, but I have to do D, is what I'm hearing. I'm also hearing some of you are going to, there's some sort of hair, something I'm hearing, something to do with hair, accessories, or something I'm hearing related to hair. Okay, some of you are going to receive candles as gifts, is what I'm getting. Okay, all right, let's see other card. Cupid. Wow, some of you could actually get a cherub angel as a gift. Some of you are going to receive a lot of love on your birthday. Lot of love, guys. And it could so happen that you're going to do something special for yourself, is what I'm hearing. Also, I am getting that there will be a gift of love coming your way. All right, love does not only mean romantic love. It can mean a friendly love, a love of a friend, a love of a mom, dad. But romantic love is also, if you're single, you may meet somebody interesting. If you are married or in a relationship, your lover or your partner is going to do something special, but it's advisable that you tell them beforehand itself that what is it that you want them to gift you, rather than just dropping hints and them being absolutely clueless. Okay, and then you both fighting that, hey, you never do anything romantic enough, you don't surprise me. So ensure that you are quite clear that how you want your birthday to be. Okay, so this are what your cards are saying. And and just enjoy your birthday, just enjoy your birthday. Don't be very particular about how it should be. Don't be controlling about your birthday. Okay, now let's see what your charms are telling us. All right, so you got love again, and you did get the Cupid card. Okay, so I feel that your partner is going to do something special for you, or a loved one is going to do something very special for you, but a lot of love you're going to receive on your birthday. You got the rainbow charm, so you could be ordering a rainbow cake for your birthday or something, or you may actually see a rainbow on your birthday, or something of something colorful. You may be wearing something colorful, or there will be some sort of rainbow element on your birthday. Okay, let's see what you've got. You got a amethyst. Okay, lovely. So a lot of you got the letter I. All right, so again, you are going to be of importance. Give yourself importance, but ensure that whatever it is that you would want to receive on your birthday, you do it for yourself as well, or you make it very clear to other people what you want on your birthday. You got shoes. It could also, I also feel like Cinderella footwear. So again, meeting somebody unexpected is what I'm feeling from this particular charm. Rabbit. So I feel that lots of fertility. Okay, fertility also means creativity, growth coming to you on your birthday, and some of you could literally get a rabbit as a gift, or a soft toy as a gift is what I'm getting. Now let's see what your box of alphabets and words are telling us. Oops. Let's pick up some. Okay, let's see what have you got. Let me zoom this so that you can see it better. You got W. You have got U, A, P, and a blank. Okay, so it could be a first name, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody whom you know. You got the word eating, reach, say, secret, sunshine, stage, truck. All right, so this is what I feel it's going to this what the video just went off, guys. So let me zoom in. Okay, so you've got so I'm feeling over here that you need to reach out to people. Okay, that's very important. People will try and reach you on your birthday, and say and stage is telling me that you need to like you need to tell people what exactly you want on your birthday. And the secret is telling me that there's going to be some sort of surprise happening on your birthday. You may get some surprise as a gift. A sunshine, you're going to shine bright on your birthday. You're going to have really good food with this eating, what I'm getting. Truck is telling me that there's a lot of burden that will get unloaded. Okay, is what I'm hearing. Now guys, let me remove your box. Let me open your box of universe messages. Okay, Let's see what it is telling us. Okay. All right. Okay, you got the emoji of surprise. So again, you're going to get surprise on your birthday. That's a good emoji to get, on your birthday. And you're going to be so happy receiving a surprise. Wow, I'm so happy. All right. You got, oh my goodness, you got You're My Sunshine. And this is the second time you have got. All right. So I feel that somebody's mother used to say this, You're my sunshine, or says this, is what I'm hearing. Or father could be. You're going to shine really bright on your birthday, guys. You got Taurus or and Aries, so could be of some significance to you. Your moon sign could be either of it. Okay, and you have got super mom. So I feel that some of you have lost your mother and she's sending love to you. And your mother is going to make your day special, the ones whose mother is with them. Your mother is really going to make some effort to make your birthday special. I'm hearing that she may cook something for you, okay, on your birthday is what I'm hearing. Wow. Now let's see the crystal message. Oops. All right. So you have got the clear quartz, which talks about clarity. A lot of things are going to get clear for you on your birthday. Also manifest good things in your life on your birthday. So spend some time how you want next year to be, what all you would like to attract in the next year. Okay, let's see your angel numbers. You got 67. So this angel number is telling you that you are on the right path. There's nothing to worry. Strike a balance between spiritual and material aspects, and that's what, again, your this is material and this is growth. Okay, so it's a fool's journey. All right. So yeah, you need to strike a balance. That's what this angel number is trying to tell you. So we have seen your virtue, which is patience, your alphabets, words, universe messages, charms, and your angel numbers, crystal messages. So now the most interesting part of your birthday is the Wheel of Fortune. Well, not the most interesting. There are going to be much interesting things happening to you on your birthday, but let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is telling us. So think about a question for your birthday and let me spin the wheel for you. You got, see guys, you got miracle. Okay, miracle. So definitely expect some sort of miracle on your birthday. So guys, I hope you enjoy the most beautiful day, that is your birthday, in the month of December 2020. And if you know anybody whose birthday also happens to be in the month of December 2020, do share this video with them, and do like the content by hitting the like button. Do share this video, and I read all your comments. I so enjoy them. Take care guys. This is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye, and a great month ahead too.